Hello, my name is Michael with RouteHub, and I want to give you a preview and show screenshots with an update to our Cisco VPN workbook focused on Cisco GET VPNs. Group Encrypted Transport VPN, or GET VPN, is a Cisco-based VPN technology designed for private or IP WAN networks without using tunnels configured with DMVPN and IPsec over GRE configurations. So imagine you have a network, and all network communication, whether it is data, voice, and video, is traversing our network and is being encrypted natively on the network as if it is built in within the infrastructure. This is basically what GetVPN is providing for private WAN networks. The components for GetVPNs are pretty simple and is shown here in this diagram from Cisco's website. The components really involve is a group router and a key server. Now the group routers can consist of our hub or spoke components or sites. And a key server basically is a component that also connects into this IP WAN network. So really what happens is that all the group member routers will communicate with the key server for knowing how do I route from one location to the other. It makes it very simplified for communicating and accessing various network resources, and is also important for redundancy. It really simplifies the entire VPN operation. Plus, it allows efficient use of routing, QoS, and multicast services that are somewhat limited with other technologies, VPN technologies. That includes one of my favorites, DMVPNs. Our training workbook will discuss all these pros and cons and more of the history of VPNs for further knowledge. So our training workbooks provide practical solutions that are used in real networks that are focused on four major components for learning. You'll learn the concepts, you'll learn how to design, learn how to configure step by step, and learn how to monitor and various troubleshooting tips for Cisco GET VPN for this particular package. This is what we call CDCM, and basically this is our acronym that we're branding, that we know that these are important components for network engineers and consultants to know how to manage a network in real time in the real world. Within this workbook, you will learn the concepts and design GET VPN in a practical environment. We always provide network diagrams with our packages reflecting the solution that will be configured step by step. This network diagram shows a hub and spoke network connecting into an IP WAN provider, utilizing Ethernet over MPLS or even VPLS. We have added two key server routers for redundancy purposes, and the key server routers also provide key distribution and security policy pushes for the hub and spoke routers enabled for our GET VPN. So you will see that we have two key servers for redundancy reasons, and our group member routers is basically we have our single hub and two spoke sites. So within this diagram, we will show you the configuration for this design step by step within our workbook. You will learn how to configure GET VPN with step-by-step configuration for the solution, such as this screenshot showing how to enable GET VPN and one of the steps on our group member routers, starting with our ISAKIM policy. We always provide full working configuration that you can use to reference, even learn from if that is your preferred learning method like myself. You'll learn how to monitor, troubleshoot, and confirm the operational state of GET VPN on your configured network within this workbook. Within the Cisco VPN workbook, you will learn how to configure other VPN technologies such as IPsec VPNs with Cisco iOS, Cisco ASA or PIX appliances, Juniper to Juniper firewalls are included. You'll learn easy VPNs, DMVPNs, and of course GET VPN that is added to our collection. So this workbook can be purchased as an individual package or included as part of the master collection. These are the details. For the individual workbook, you can purchase this package without signing up for the yearly subscription service. You have 30 days to download, and after 30 days, it's yours to use. There are no restrictions preventing you access to your files. However, any access to new updates after the 30 days will require a new purchase of the package. But we do offer many promo codes and discounts through Facebook, YouTube, and even Craigslist. Our Master Collection is our subscription service and is our best offering to engineers and consultants for building up their practical training library. You'll get access to all packages in our collection for voice, core network services, wireless, collaboration type services. You'll get access to all new updates for a year, and we constantly add new features and services each month to our packages, and you're alerted via email. This is a 40% total savings if you purchase everything all together in one big package. And of course, you get access to various benefits, consulting services, and other packages as well. So our master collection is definitely ideal for network engineers and consultants. And you can get more details at routhub.net/master_collection. And this will also be included with our security bundle that will include our other tunneling and firewall services. So look out for that. We thank you for watching our video. You can get more details on this practical Cisco training workbook at routhub.net/products.